Hi, this is Craig from Sulcata Grove. I'm here with Celeste and Courtney, and we are going to taste this mango. The name on it is the Prahm Kai Meu. I've never had this one before. I know nothing about it. I would kind of guess it's probably a Thai mango by the shape and the name, but
we don't speak Thai.
I don't speak Thai, so I could be way off on that. So it might be an Italian mango, but probably not. It's definitely a green mango, and green mangoes...
It's a little underripe.
Well, for a green mango, it may not be, because some of these are made to be eaten.
It's cutting like a Granny Smith apple.
It is cutting like an unripe green mango. Expectations are low.
You can try it first.
It's like a sweetened, no, not sweetened, semi-sweetened cucumber.
Oh, I think you should let it ripe.
Oh, it's not going to get ripe now.
I'm not a fan of green mango.
I'm not a fan of green mango either. It's not bad. I don't know that it's meant to be eaten like this. This is one we got at a fruit tasting and brought home. It definitely has the texture of a very unripe mango, which are usually super, super tart. This is not super tart. This is probably, a lot of these green mangoes are eaten kind of like vegetables. Sometimes they kind of cut them up and then put sauce on them. And
I got a
as green mangoes go, it's not bad. It's definitely not one that's made, it's not a dessert mango.
You don't think it would ever be like a dessert mango?
I think this is probably how it's usually eaten, because it's not bad. It's just, it's not sweet, and I like a sweet mango, but if you're not looking for, you know, this is one that would maybe be cooked with even. It's got a little bit of a green, almost grassy flavor, just very slightly. Most of it's it's cucumbery. I mean, you could put this in a salad, and it would probably be pretty good. If you were all out of cucumbers. Hey Brooke, you're almost a vegetarian. See what you like about that.
It's kind of got a background flavor of like a bitter green.
Well, that was kind of maybe that grassy that I was saying, but it's slight.
Not a whole lot of flavor, but it's alright.
Yeah, it's not bursting with flavor. It just kind of reminds me of a green apple mixed with a cucumber.
That's been watered down.
With a hint of mango grassiness. It's not bad.
The texture's nice.
Texture's nice. It's kind of on the crisp side, which usually green mangoes are. I wish I knew more about this one. I wish I knew if it was meant to be eaten green. I'm guessing it is, simply because it does have some orange color in there while it's completely green on the outside. So I'm assuming that this is not going to do anything but stay green. But yeah, I would see eating this with something or in something. I wouldn't sit down and just eat one to eat it. I mean, overall flavor-wise, there's nothing objectionable. But then there's not much.
What's it taste like? Just the orange part. I was wondering what you thought it tasted like.
It's about the same. There's not that much difference between the orange and the green. The orange is a little bit softer, the green's a little bit crispier. But, I mean, yeah, if you were putting this in a salad or Eating it with maybe like a sauce on it, or salt, maybe a little salt and lemon on it, maybe.
Make a slaw out of it.
Yeah. It's not bad. That's just, it's just not a dessert mango. It's not a, I wouldn't make a pie out of it or put it in a smoothie. But I mean, I'd still give it. I'd still give it a 5. I mean, because it's just, if I was putting it on the scale of all the mangoes and just flavor, it probably wouldn't get as high as a 5. But I'm just thinking, utilitarian-wise.
There's nothing bad in it.
It's
nice.
It's just, I wouldn't eat it as a dessert mango, but I would eat it as a vegetable. And it's growing on me because I'm eating more of it. I have it with mangoes. The more I eat, the more I like them. But yeah, I'd probably give it a 5. And if I was looking at the range of green mangoes, it would probably be an 8 or a 9. Of just the different green mangoes that I've tasted. Most of them are very tart and even rubbery, and this has good texture to it. So, you'll give it a number?
I think I'd give it more like a 2. I mean, it's a
Give everything a
cucumber when I
2.
wanted a mango.
Right, but I'm saying if you're not expecting a mango,
I spit
it's
it out,
better
so
than
I
a
give it
cucumber to
1.
me, though. I could cut this up in strips and put it in a. This would be better in a California roll than a cucumber would.
Okay, well if you say that, like
Well,
for
that's
making
what I mean.
sushi, it would
Right.
be good because it's got a nice firm texture.
I mean, that's what I
That's
mean,
about it for me.
utilitarian-wise. It's not just, bless you.
Thank you.
It's not just. I wouldn't make this into a candy and have the Prahm Kai Meu flavored candy, but from a utilitarian stance of a green mango, as a green mango, it's pretty good. It's just I'm not a big fan of green mangoes, but I'm sure that in Thailand or wherever this is from, this is probably a very popular green mango to eat. So anyway, yeah, if you've had this one before, if you're Thai or you know where this is from, I apologize if you're from Thailand and this is from France, but anyway, I assume this is eaten green. If you know something about this, leave us a comment and let us know. That would be my assumption. But I mean, to me, overall,
If we
it's not
ate
bad.
it at the totally wrong time, let us know.
Or yeah, maybe this is supposed to turn, a bright orange. But anyway, even if it's supposed to turn bright orange, of green mangoes that I've had, this is pretty good as a green mango. So anyway, that's all I got for this one. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Pick the mango from the tree and the mango down to me. Put the mango in a sack.